Hey everyone, welcome back to another DaVinci Resolve tutorial. My name is Eddie and I'm your host here at Yesterday's Tomorrow. In today's DaVinci Resolve tutorial, I'm going to be showing you a couple of different ways that you can grab still images from your video content. This is extremely useful if you're like myself who forgets to take specific photos for my YouTube thumbnails. So if this sounds interesting to you, let's dive into the tutorial and hopefully learn a few new tricks to help with your content creation goals. Alright, so now that we are over in DaVinci Resolve, I've queued up one of my old videos, and for this I want to grab a screenshot so I can use it for an upcoming YouTube thumbnail. There are two ways that you can do this, probably more, but these are probably the easiest, and you can do it from the color tab or the fusion tab. So let's jump over to the color tab first. Now that we're in the color tab, you're going to want to choose the spot in the video that you want to screenshot, and from here you're going to take and right click on the video. You're going to click grab still, and it's going to show up over here in your gallery. If you don't see this, you can just click this gallery button and it'll bring it up. From here, you're going to right click and you're going to want to export. From here, you're going to choose the location that you want to save this. You're going to want to rename it or give it a name. And saving as type, you want to make sure that you choose JPEG or PNG. And then you're just going to click the export button. Now, on to the second part. We're now in the Fusion tab, and this is very similar to the way we just did it. You're going to find the spot in the video that you want to screenshot, then you're going to come up to the video and you're going to right click. This one's a little bit different, but you're just going to come down here to the save image, and again, you're going to choose the location that you want to save it to, give your file a name, and then save it as a JPEG or a PNG. And just like that, now you have a thumbnail for your next YouTube video or any kind of photography needs. Thank you everyone for watching the entire video. We could not do this without you. I hope that you learned some new tricks for your content creation arsenal so that you're not ever left without the ability to create a YouTube thumbnail for your video or whatever kind of video content you are working on. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash the like button. This helps us with the YouTube algorithm more than you know, and it helps push this content out to even more people. If you have any questions or feedback, make sure to drop it in the comments below. I love to engage with the community, and your feedback is what drives this channel to create better videos. Without your feedback, we'd be stuck in a stagnant type of growth. I'm still new at this and I learn every day, and I can't do it without your feedback. And last but definitely not least, if you liked the content and you would like to see more content like this, then consider subscribing and becoming a member here at the community. Make sure to turn on the bell for the notifications so that you know when we go live with our next video. And always, everybody, thank you for watching, and I will catch you on the next video.